Another day, another video, another fragrance featuring Scent Therapy Discover Scent. So for today's video, since Scent Therapy is more of a unisex or female fragrance, I have here my special guest, my girlfriend, to help me and review this fragrance, and also she would give her opinions. Oh, by the way, kung pinagpawisan ulit ako, hindi ko magana yung aircon ko, so sorry. So let's unbox this. Hindi siya man-box. So na-unbox ko na siya, hirap na i-unbox. By the way, we have here Suvidity, Blanca, Fireplace, Libre, and Jilong. Anyways, I think this is a good gift sa mga girlfriends ninyo or someone na gusto nyong maging into fragrance, because these are just, minimal lang na ml, and if you want them to get into fragrances, I think this is a good gift set, and Scent Therapy always gives good fragrances, or always make good fragrances, sorry. Anyways, let's test it out. Let's go! So first on the list, we have here Fluidity. So, ikaw muna mag-test. Kamay mo. Okay.
Magagalit ka ba pag kiniskas ko?
Oo, magagalit ako. Okay, sige. I want your opinion first, bago ako.
Ano to?
Fluidity. I think this is MFK, if I'm correct. MFK Gentle Fluidity. Okay, ano yung parang nadidistinguish mo dito? Anong amoy?
Mabango. Oh, yeah, obviously mabango.
Meron bang pabango na mabaho?
Pero ano lang siya, sweet. Sweet lang siya sa akin, para sa akin. Hindi siya matapang, hindi siya matabang. Hindi siya matabang. Tama lang para sa akin. At saka parang bulaklak ng patay.
Laklak ng patay ang puta. Ano yun? Solel Blanc? Joke lang. So, yeah. Note breakdown. This is one.
Sabi ko lang yun.
Okay. So, for me, I think this is more of a vanilla woody scent. May pagka-floral siya, pero hindi ko alam kung anong floral scent. It's either rose or jasmine, pero I think it's more of a rose, na? Sweet, floral, rose, or woody. I'm not quite sure, pero I think this is more leaning sa mga babae. I cannot wear this. It's too feminine. Tingin mo, pag sinot ko ba to, may manly or feminine?
Feminine.
More feminine siya. Pang soft boy na pabango. So, next on the list, we have here Blanca. So, let's give it a go. Ikaw muna. Morena.
I can smell it in the air.
Anong amoy? Anong amoy?
I'll be honest,
Ano?
smells alcohol.
Nagkawa ng
Hindi,
puta. Ano ba ng puta? Hindi guys. Oh, hindi lang ako ha. Sige.
So, in-invite mo ako dito as your special guest para mag-comment.
Ikaw basher ka? Basher ka?
Hindi, promise.
Sige, ano?
Yeah.
May alcohol siya?
Oo, pero mas...
Sige. Sasabihin ko sa'yo yung notes niya. And sabi mo sa akin kung naamoy mo ba siya.
Okay.
It smells like a floral lavender. Naamoy mo yung lavender smell?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, smells like ilang-ilang.
Okay.
Yun yung pagiging floral niya. I think masyadong nangingibabaw dito yung pagiging lavender niya. Pero mayroon akong naamoy na lemon. Medyo maasim siya,
yung
no?
lemon, oo.
Fresh
Talagang-
lemon siya. Pero hindi ko lang sure. Kasi ang pagkakaalam ko, Blanca does not have a lemon note, pero yung smell lemon. You know what's funny?
What's funny? It smells lemon.
You know what's funny? Kasi lemon and lavender literally smells like Lysol. Top 3.
Sabi ko na eh. Parang may nalala ko dito.
Lysol nga siya.
Oo, yes.
Lysol,
yes.
lemon, and
Mm-mm.
lavender.
And I like Lysol.
Wow.
Scent Therapy.
So, next on the list, we have here Fireplace. Testing natin siya. Sawa ka na ba? Pagod ka na ba? Taga atomizer niya? Hindi mo gusto? Okay mo? Oh, ang bango nito! Inubo ang puta. Bakit? Fireplace ito.
Oh.
Kamoy niya yung ano? Wood for Glory. Pero mo yung wood for amethyst? Amethyst for ano?
Which one?
Yung violet.
Purple.
Ay, hindi. Mali pala.
Ay, oo.
Sabi niya, no?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, so, I know this is the real notes, pero ako lang, baka kamoy niya to?
Sige nga, spray mo nga dito. Oh, parang naamoy ko dyan.
Maamoy mo yan dyan. Sabi niya, no? Pero parang,
Close. Matapang yung purple.
oh,
Pero
parang
yung
ano,
fireplace, medyo
Ano siya eh?
sweet pa.
more on sweet peppery scent.
Naku,
Yeah. Sweet peppery scent.
ang galing mo talaga.
Hindi kasi lagi ka ba? Kung ba naman dahil mo na naamoy na ang pabango.
Hindi, malaki lang yun.
Pare. Okay. Okay.